discrimination is obviously a multifaceted thing because, especially with the seemingly war on trans people, of I've seen so many transphobes just decide that anyone is trans just because, essentially, right? You know, it could be as much as having a big nose. I've seen people try and claim someone's queer because of that. Yeah, no, it's weird, and it's also the of when you are queer for reasons, often societal reasons, you often have some mental health issues with depression or anxiety.